Hello, in this video we are going to be using a dropper to do some custom crafting. So let's pop a dropper down, pop a dropper down, I like that. Let's get the coordinates of that block, pop a dropper down, there we go, copy those, and let's put down a repeating command block. Needs redstone, repeating, let's turn it on. Okay, is that a dropper? Let's check that first. Execute if block at those coordinates is a dropper. Well, how do we know? Let's put down a comparator. There we go, we've got a signal. That is a dropper. If I get rid of it, there's no dropper there. Okay, so now let's get some more information. Let's check the items inside. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to be checking slot 4 and slot 7. Dropper. I want to check its items, and I want to check 2 items. 1, 2 items. First item is going to be slot 4, and I'm going to be checking for ID, colon, speech marks, Minecraft, blaze powder. Let's check that. So it's off. Let's put a blaze powder into slot 4, and now it's on. Okay, so that's working. Now let's check the next slot, which will be slot 7B, and let's check the ID for Minecraft diamond sword. Okay, let's put in our blaze powder. Nothing happens. Let's put in our diamond sword. There we go. We've got the comparator. They have to be in the slots we've defined. If I move it, not going to work. Okay, so that works. We're now checking the items correctly. Let's take the comparator output and let's put it into another command block. So I think first we probably want to clear what's in the dropper. Actually, we can do that automatically just by merging some data. So let's data merge block at those coordinates. What happens if we just do that? Let's check. Let's get an extra sword. Let's put that in, and that's so nothing happening. No data is being merged. Okay. Better tell it what data we want to merge. So let's do that here. What do we want to merge into it? We want to merge in some items. And I only want to merge in one item. That's going to be my item. And I'm going to put it in the middle, so slot 4B. And I'm going to put ID, colon, it's 2 speech marks. And I'm going to put a Minecraft diamond sword. And then with a count of 1. Okay, so what that's going to do at the moment, if it detects a blaze powder in slot 4 and a diamond sword in slot 7, it's going to put a diamond sword in slot 4. So we're kind of losing out here. We're losing a bit of blaze powder. Yeah. But that's working. That's good. Okay. So slot 4B, Minecraft diamond sword, count 1B. Let's go after the count 1B and let's pop on a tag. Tag, open and close the curly brackets. Now, first tag I'm going to put on is going to be an enchantment because we want to get something for putting in our blaze powder. Enchantments. And I'm only going to put 1 enchantment on. If we wanted another one, it would go in there, but we just want 1, and I am going to put ID Minecraft fire aspect. Okay, then after the ID, let's give it a level 2S. Okay, so now hopefully we're going to get a diamond sword with fire aspect. Excellent. Okay, So we've got a little bit of custom crafting going on already. Now back into the tag, we can do it before or after enchantments. I always find it easier to go before because you can just see tag, colon, open brackets, and you can put it there. Otherwise, you've got to find out at this confusing end here where enchantments ends. Enchantments ends after that square bracket, I believe. But for ease, I'm going to go before enchantment. And I'm going to put display. Open and close curlies. Tab that. What display do I want? I want two things. I want a name, apostrophe, speech marks, apostrophe, and I want law. Open and close square brackets, apostrophe, speech marks, apostrophe. Okay, its name is going to be fiery chop chop. And I'll just say the law is a fire sword. So we've got law, open square brackets, apostrophe, speech marks, then the text we want, then speech marks, apostrophe. So you want to get them in the right order. Let's try that. Let's pop in a sword. Let's put some blaze powder on top, and we get given a fiery chop chop, which is a fire sword. Nice. So we've used a dropper to create a custom item. Okay, so we're just checking slots 4 and 7 for our items. If those items are there, we get an output signal, and the output signal puts the new item into the dropper. And it clears the other ones as well because we haven't defined any items for those slots. So we've only defined slot 4B. So we only get the one item back. Nice and easy. Okay, that is how we use a dropper to do a little bit of custom crafting. I'll see you in the next video.